Welcome to lesson 16. Lesson 16. Welcome to lesson 16. What people do. What job would you like to do? I am a teacher. What job would you like to do? A firefighter. A firefighter puts out fire. A firefighter. Doctor. Doctors treat patients. A doctor. A nurse. A nurse. A nurse cares for patients, looks after patients. Fashion designer designs clothes. Singer is a person who sings. Scientist. Scientist. Musician. Dentist. DJ. Artist. Hairdresser. Hairdresser. Actor. Astronaut. Astronaut. Builder. Teacher. Librarian. Librarian. Pilot. Vet. Veterinarian. Vet. Film director. Film director. Soccer player. Soccer player. Chef. Chef. Soldier. Soldier. Lawyer. Lawyer. Athlete. Athlete. Dancer. Dancer. Police officer. A police officer. Babysitter. 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 Tennis player. Tennis player. An engineer. Engineer. An engineer. President. A president. President. Writer. Writer. A writer. Hobbies. Hobbies means things you enjoy doing. Okay, some hobbies. Swimming. Swimming. I like to swim. Gymnastics. Gymnastics. Martial arts. Martial arts. Music. Music. And dancing. Dancing. What do you enjoy doing as a hobby? Write that in the comment section or send it to the group. Share it through the group.